Okay, did you see yourself?
Let's see. No, it's very bright.
I see.
Red Robin Brood.
Red Robin Brood.
Red Robin Brood. Brustar Red Robin Bro.
Red Robin Brood.
Robin Bro. I'm making up silly words. Oh, what's that?
It's
Shrimp paste, my favorite.
Shrimp paste, but simple.
Shrimp
paste.
I'm only joking, that's my favorite.
Robin Hood.
Okay. Dali na.
Are we ready?
Oh, sorry, honey, you're.
Oh, it's okay. I can back up a little bit and get my head. No, we're all orange. Oh no, you're pink. It looked orange for me in the camera.
Okay, nadali na dyan.
John, what are we gonna do right now?
Filipino food.
Yay, Filipino food!
This
our
is
favorite.
our dinner, panihapon.
Right,
Yeah.
Mommy, what do we have today?
We have today ginataang langka. Look at the ginataang langka, guys. Ginataang langka.
It's good. Jackfruit and what kind of condensed
jackfruit,
milk?
coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Young jackfruit, not the hinog. Not the
The ripe one, okay.
Yeah, at ito ay
Sweet potato leaves?
sweet potato leaves with suka, with vinegar, with ginger.
That smells good.
Yeah. What's good, honey? There you go.
Smells so good.
Smells so good.
I'm excited to dig in.
At ito ay
Fried.
fish. That's English this fish is scad. It's a nice combination. And we have extra the kamayan sauteed shrimp. Regular, you can try this one.
Sauteed shrimp.
It's alamang.
Bless
Bless
you,
you,
buddy.
John. Bless you.
Good,
Okay
you're
na.
turning your head away from the food.
Di na
That's
na.
nice.
We need to eat na.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in.
Rice, please.
Okay, John. I know John wants the
And
fish.
Daddy wants rice.
Yeah, Daddy wants rice.
Oh no, it's okay. I can wait.
Okay, careful, the rice is very hot. Mainit.
Yeah.
Okay, John, I need to really pour you the...
Nothing on my plate.
It's very
You should give you
hot, the
a
fish.
fork and a spoon.
Yeah.
Start eating. I'm joking.
The fish is
There's
very
nothing to eat.
hot. Yan ha, it's very hot, the fish. It is very fresh.
Freshly cooked. You just finished cooking.
Yeah. Okay, Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Huwag kalimutan ang
Grab
kanin.
one scad.
One scad.
Whoa, so nice.
It's hot, Daddy, ha? Be careful.
I know, I heard you crying.
How about the fish, John? Oh, it's very hot. Sorry, Daddy. You need rice,
Man,
John?
this one smells so
John,
good.
gusto mo ketchup? John cannot eat the
First time for me to eat sweet potato leaves, I
Sweet
think.
potato leaves, yeah.
Oh, first time.
It's masarap that one and healthy.
And I don't think I've had young jackfruit either.
Yeah, first time for you,
Oh,
bro.
first time for me to eat rice. Sure.
Rice is always priority.
I'm excited to try the jackfruit first.
Jan, gusto mo ketchup for your
Don't touch-
face, Jan?
Ooh, did you touch it? Ooh.
Ooh, don't touch it, buddy.
Don't touch it.
Jan, gusto mo kanin? Rice?
Hey, that's your mommy.
Gusto mo kanin? Rice? No?
Say
Are
no,
you sure?
ma'am.
Rice with a coconut? Oh, coconut. Rice with a...
They're so
You say
warm.
hende po.
Oh, try this one, Daddy.
Oh man, the jackfruit is amazing.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know if I'm brave enough to try this shrimp paste.
Try the... It's a...
It's jelly.
No, it's not jelly. It's a coke.
What do you put it on your fish?
I need one of this.
Yeah, you can put. I think this one is good for your dahon, the gulay, the vegetable.
Right.
Jan is hot.
Let me try first without it.
Yeah, let's do it. Thank you,
Mommy,
baby.
I need one of that.
Okay, with rice, Jan.
Not with rice. I just need this.
Oh, really?
Not with rice.
Oh man, that's good.
Good. This is small. This one that we had the bagoong because maybe maalat, maybe salty.
Oh yeah.
Oh, really? You like jackfruits?
I like the jackfruit and the sweet potato leaves.
Wow, yeah, the sweet potato leaves is mega good. That's my favorite when I was a kid.
Whoa. Oh man, that's
good, Daddy?
funny.
So how much should I eat? Well, just a tiny amount?
Just small. You can add in
Is
your.
that too much?
This is fine. That's perfect.
small.
Yeah.
And
put
just
in
put one spoon?
Yeah, 1 spoon there.
Yeah.
Together.
We eat it together. And if I spit it out, it's not my fault. My fork is all
Jan, I think you need rice, Jan, with the coconut milk. some the sauce. This one. Can oh man, it's so good. How about
It's not
that?
bad. Yeah,
not
it's
bad.
salty.
Yeah, it's salty, but it's good. You know, every one of us is different taste.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, I like it plain.
Plain, okay.
It's not bad.
Okay. We know now.
No.
You like plain.
Out of 10, it's 5. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need some more.
Please.
Maybe try first. Maybe try first the.
What?
Oh, try this one. Oh. Ito.
How do you say I want that? Gusto ko yan?
Gusto ko yan.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm learning.
You learn
Oh.
Tagalog. This good yan? Ito.
No, I'm really learning.
Jen likes the.
It came natural. The yan came natural to me.
Good. It means you're becoming Filipino.
I wish.
Jen is eating the. This one, no?
I love the Filipino attitude.
Oh,
the
you really?
Filipino- The bones are very soft. It's like you can just eat the bones.
Your rice now, Jen, oh?
The fish is good, honey.
This is good. Oh, man, I
This
missed
is
that.
9 out of 10.
This one is mega good for me. This is my favorite.
Yeah. And the jackfruit is very good also.
Yeah, the jackfruit too. You like the sauce, this one? The,
Yeah. Very. This one, I like the vinegar.
yeah.
This one, I like the coconut milk.
Wow.
Like I like this one and this one and this one.
You know what's funny? I like most every part of the coconut except for the juice. The water inside, I don't like that one. But I like the flesh, I like the coconut milk.
Coconut juice, you doesn't like it?
I don't like it.
Maybe it.
But
Maybe
I like
very
the
cold.
coconut flesh. I like the, maybe if ice cold,
Yeah, maybe it's very cold.
maybe if frozen.
The shrimp is the guys,
Maybe I like it if I'm drunk too.
it's good. Man, I need to use my hands. My hands is already clean. Jan,
Yeah, I like your hands.
Whoa.
how about you,
The
Jan?
leaf is very good.
Yeah. No sausawan today because we have sauce that.
Right. No, I don't need it.
Jan, sige na Jan, kain na, kain na.
What? Everyone.
I mean,
What
eat
the
na.
what? What the what?
Let's the fried fish.
The fish is good, but there's not much meat. It's like skinny.
The fish?
Skinny fish.
Yeah, because you know, it's small fish, not tuna.
Right.
Tuna, man. It's a
Tuna is very fatty.
It's good.
We're quiet now because it's very good.
Yeah.
If people are quiet, it's because they're enjoying their food.
It's hard to talk if you're eating delicious food. Jan, saan ka punta? Where are you going, Jan?
Previously on WonderMother. Next time on WonderMother.
Jan, eat na Jan. Oh, dali na Jan. Oh.
I know I can treat you better. Better than he can. Can you sing that song with me? I know I can treat you. Can you sing? You don't want to sing?
Try your rice and this one. Oh, that. Ginataang lang.
You're still developing your taste buds.
Yeah, the ginataang lang ka is this good.
Very. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. And the rice is 10 out of 10.
Wow, you like rice now?
Everything is. I always like rice. You know, I ate rice when I was a kid, right?
Okay.
Yeah. My father had something he called perlo rice.
What's that?
Perlo rice.
Perlo rice.
They would make the roast, like the meat. They would cook the meat.
Wow.
Then they would take the juice from the meat and cook it, use it to cook the rice.
Sounds
And it was
good,
very, yeah, it was very delicious. We called it perlo.
Hello.
So the rice already had like meat flavoring in it, because it was, the meat juices to cook the rice.
Yeah.
Very good.
This one, the sweet
You need more?
potato
honey?
leaf salad, man, it's so
You need more?
good. No, I have still that, daddy. Okay.
All right, mommy. What's your out of 10 each plate?
All 10 for me.
10 out of 10, perfect.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, Jan is eating a ginataang langka. Ginataang langka is this so good because
When you were in Philippines, mommy, did you make this meal a lot?
a lot. Yeah, this too.
Right. You made it a lot.
Yeah, that.
Good.
And every,
you're
every
very-
weekend, the fish.
So you're very expert this dish
Yeah,
because you
very
made it a
expert.
lot.
No need expert about ingredients. It's very simple also this type of food. You're not making fancy.
I wanna put this on me.
Careful the rice, Jan, ha? It's still hot, Jan. Thank you, Jan. There you go. No, be gentle.
It's raining rice.
Gentle, Jan.
I need an umbrella. This rice is raining.
Enjoy. Wow.
Thank you so much, honey, for this wonderful meal.
You're
Very
welcome.
good. Very, very good.
Jan loves that. Ginataang langka.
Daddy, I want this one and this.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. You don't like this one too much? Probably because of the vinegar.
Yeah.
But this one's nice because coconut milk and jackfruit.
Wow, you love jackfruit, huh?
I like it, honey. It's very good for me.
Cool.
Not a joke.
You need more fish?
No, thank you, because, you know,
Okay. I know, Jan.
Bones.
Once more. Remember, Jan?
if they could make somehow they could make a boneless fish, that would be awesome. Because the
Yeah,
bones
because
are-
American lays it to and it's
Yeah.
always boneless.
True. But I ate it, look, I ate the whole. Really good, honey. The jackfruit.
Oh, thank you so much.
Mm.
It's very simple. The ingredients is just jackfruit, coconut milk, ginger, onion,
Yeah, very easy, huh?
salt and pepper, yeah. And the red one, it's a bell pepper. Bell pepper is not necessary, but if you have extra,
Right, if you add
you
extra,
can
just
add.
add.
Yeah.
And it, not
Wow.
everyone can make delicious food.
Jan loves that. Yeah.
It's very good,
Ginataang
mommy.
langka.
It's super nice when you put rice in it.
Guys, Jan is eating a lot now.
Thank you so much.
Good job,
Thank you for eating,
Jan.
John. I'm proud of you. I didn't think you were going to eat today.
More
I was
rice.
wrong because I thought you had chocolate milk you weren't going to eat. I was wrong.
No, you're wrong, Daddy.
I was gonna really.
What do you say when I'm wrong? You say, always listen to your wife. I like that one.
I was gonna listen to my wife.
Every time I'm wrong, always listen to your wife.
Man, the sweet potato lips salad is still so good.
Eat like a chicken.
Like chickens eat chickens.
Do chickens eat chickens? I don't think so.
Does chickens eat fish?
I think they would if you put a fish in front of them.
Yeah.
What do you think? You think a chicken would eat a fish if you put a fish there? Mommy? You think chickens would eat a fish?
The chicken is a
If you
bit?
cook this fish and put it in front of a chicken, would the chicken eat it?
No.
It would not eat it. It would just ignore it. You don't think? I thought maybe the chicken would eat the fish.
Yeah, no. The
Yeah.
chicken is a bit. I thought the chicken meat.
No, I'm saying if you had a chicken and you just put that fish in front of it, would the chicken eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
It. Thank you for eating, John and Daddy.
Mommy, this food is delicious. Very good.
Guys, we even have saguaca. Saguaca.
This is
Saguaca.
bagoong. The bagoong.
Oh, is that the city that you're from?
Huh?
No, Bagoong sounds familiar.
Bagoong in Tagalog.
Yeah.
But this one is shrimp paste. Ginisang bagoong.
Gingoog. I'm thinking gingoog.
No, bagoong.
Yeah. I always get confused that way.
Ginisang bagoong.
Yeah.
In English, sauteed
We
shrimp.
even have shemiskik
Shemiskik.
on our food. All of us have shemiskik on our food.
Shemiskik? How did I get shemiskik on my food? How did that happen?
Any more this one, Daddy?
Yeah, sure.
How do you get shemiskik?
How do you get shemiskik on your food? The better question is, how do we get it off our food? Do we have to eat it?
That?
Shemiskik. He's making up words. He said we all have shemiskik on our food.
I don't know what language is that.
No one knows. It's a John language. John language. John is back to good mood right now.
I got it on my.
That was pretty nice. And you only have one piece of rice on you today. You're doing a lot better.
Yeah.
Normally you have rice everywhere. Today it's just one piece.
John, what's your favorite? All of this food, John. What's your favorite? Daddy, what's your favorite?
Oh, I'd have to say the jackfruit.
The jackfruit.
Yeah.
But
These two are both 10 out of 10, but for some reason this one is my favorite.
okay.
Maybe this one is 11 out of 10. Maybe I have to change.
Wow.
I like this one. I like this one and this one.
Yeah, I agree.
John eat a lot of fried fish and ginataang langka.
How many thumbs up is the jackfruit? How many thumbs up? 2?
And
Alright.
this one's 2.
Oh man. This one is 0 or 2 down.
Yeah. This one's 2 thumbs and this one is 4.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
It's funny, he's talking with a piece of fish in his mouth. That was very cute, John. He's talking with that piece of fish hanging out.
It's very hungry.
This one is 2 thumbs up and this one is 4.
Wow. 4
What
what?
about out of
4
10?
thumbs up. Out of 10, how many? Out of 10 thumbs, how many thumbs? Out of 10. 10 out of 10? 8 out of 10? 9 out of 10?
And
8 out of 10? And this one, how many out of 10? 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Or 3 out of 10?
3 out of 10.
Oh, you're just copying me. You're just copying me, huh? You're silly. I think you should stick with the thumbs. 2 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up. There you go. What about the thumb sideways? Do you remember?
John,
I like when he does it's like he has a problem. I like when you do that, John. It's like you have bills to pay, you have mortgage.
That's Daddy's obligation, John, not for you.
He's cute for me. You're a cute boy. You're an awesome boy.
The advance Halloween sa inyo, guys.
Yeah, happy Halloween, everyone.
Happy Halloween, everyone.
Although we probably won't upload. Maybe we'll have it uploaded tomorrow, Halloween.
Yeah,
Tomorrow is Halloween here. We're gonna upload this one tomorrow,
tomorrow, yeah,
or Wednesday, or Tuesday.
Next Wednesday.
Yeah, so it'll be late. So happy Halloween.
Happy.
This will be a late video after your Halloween.
Sorry, I need to say anything.
So it's okay. Don't rush. Don't rush. You wanna sing Mommy a song?
Lots of people asking about
Yeah. What kind of questions can we answer?
the way I'm eating, why I'm not fat. I'm eating a lot.
Yeah.
It's in my DNA. In my genes.
You don't really eat a lot of food though.
I'm not really eating a lot of food. I'm
Yeah.
just eating this only.
What you do is you eat small meals,
Yeah.
and then when we're filming, for whatever reason, you eat a lot more when we're filming. I think it's because you're enjoying the meal a lot more.
Right. I'm enjoying
But you don't really eat a lot of food every day.
I'm not really eating.
Yeah.
It's
You eat small meals, but several times a day. Right?
yeah, they think I'm eating a lot, but only
No,
a bit.
you don't eat like that every meal. You would definitely gain weight. Yeah. I'm not trying to do that too, right? I'm trying to eat a little bit less food every day.
Every day.
A little bit
Daddy,
less.
this is fish food for people.
Yeah, fish food for people, or just food for people.
Well,
Walk,
You need more?
walk at it, walk. What is that? What is
You eat a
that?
lot of fish.
Is that the brain? I'm joking. It's not the brain.
Then eat a lot of fish, Daddy.
I know. He said it was four thumbs up. He said this one is 2 thumbs up. That one is 4 thumbs up. Mommy said it's 10
Itong
thumbs
isda,
up.
ginataang langka, at sinilaw na salad na ganas in Bisaya. Ang Bisaya is a ganas.
forward.
Bye, guys!
Can you say bye-bye backwards? Yep. Yep. I'm joking.
Yep, guys.
Yep. Yep.
Yep, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
We love. Oh. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching always. Your Facebook is WonderMother.
Now when you put the fork in the corn and then the corn splashed everywhere.
I do remember that. That was crazy. And one day I was trying to show something and it spilled. Remember that? Remember that? And lots of times I've hit my fork and spoon and they've done crazy things. I'm very clumsy. No.
I remember
shouldn't
when
do
I
that.